Hi children, welcome back to our class. Last class we have started a new chapter, physical and chemical changes. Though we have seen physical changes. Physical changes means changes happening to the physical properties. What do you mean by physical properties? Yes, as you said, size, shape, state or color, any one changes, then we can call them as physical change. And these physical changes are reversible and temporary changes, and no new substances are produced. A few examples for the physical changes also we have seen. Right? Now moving to our present topic, that chemical changes. One by one, taking few examples, we can derive what are chemical changes. Okay, moving on to our topic, chemical changes. First of all, we are going to see an example. Okay. Example 1. For that, we are taking a magnesium ribbon. This is actually a magnesium ribbon. See, magnesium metal. It is a metal, and just like ribbon which you are using to tie your hairs. Do you remember that ribbon? Yes, like so. It is also a ribbon. It is coiled like this. Okay. So this magnesium, this is a magnesium ribbon piece, metal piece. Do you see that? Yes, this is magnesium ribbon. This magnesium ribbon we can burn. Okay, we can burn this magnesium ribbon. On burning that magnesium ribbon, what is happening there? This magnesium ribbon will react with the oxygen. Okay, so burning of magnesium ribbon, burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, so when we burn magnesium ribbon, we can say magnesium is reacting with the oxygen. So when it is reacting with the oxygen, what will happen to this magnesium ribbon? On reacting, on heating or burning magnesium ribbon, after burning we will get a material like this white powdery ash. White powder we will get like this white powder, that is magnesium will react with oxygen, and during heating, this is just like heating of a firework. If you are heating that fireworks sticks and all, during that time what you are observing the, yes, a brilliant white light will be observed, right? So like so, if you are burning this magnesium ribbon, we will observe a bright light. We will observe there a bright light. Bright white light will be observed. Okay, that will be, but here we will not have an option to show while burning. So just imagine that while burning, how the fireworks are burning, the same way a white bright light will be produced there during the burning of this magnesium ribbon. So during that time, magnesium will react with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. During that time, magnesium oxide is produced there. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. See, I have told you in the previous class that whenever you are writing something on the left side of the equation, if you don't have any space there, don't take it to the right side. Again you break it there and write it in the left side itself. And if you are writing the right side, if you don't have enough space, break that and write down right side itself after the arrow. Okay, so when this magnesium is reacting with oxygen, we will get magnesium oxide there, which is white in color, which is white powder. White powder of magnesium oxide will be obtained. Right? So, during this what happened? This is actually the physical appearance of that metal. After heating, what happened? Its appearance entirely changed. Its appearance entirely changed means a new material is produced from this metal piece. Right? So, a change in which if both the physical as well as chemical properties are changing, the metal is changed, metal properties are entirely changing there, and that white new material is produced there. So, physical chemical properties changed there. Okay. And during this a new material is produced there. So, we can say that this is a chemical change. So, whenever a material is undergoing a chemical change, there a new material will be produced there. Here, when magnesium burned in oxygen, magnesium oxide is produced there, and that is white powder. Okay. Now, how can we find out the nature of this magnesium oxide? For that, you just take a few this magnesium oxide powder, few amount of this magnesium oxide powder, and then mix it with a few drops of water. Okay, I am mixing this with a few drops of water there, and then I am taking a red litmus paper. You have seen that red litmus paper there, two litmus papers are there. I am taking this red litmus paper and dipping this red litmus paper, this solution. Magnesium I have mixed with water and I have dipped that red litmus paper into this. What is the color change? Do you observe any change in color? Yes. You can see the red color changes to blue. What does this indicate? This indicates that magnesium oxide is basic in nature. If bases are, those will change the red litmus to blue. So, we can say that magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Okay. So, when this magnesium oxide is mixed with the water, what happened? The magnesium hydroxide is produced. Magnesium hydroxide, and this magnesium hydroxide is basic material, and that magnesium hydroxide changed that red litmus to blue. Red litmus to blue color. So, we can conclude that magnesium oxide is basic in nature. So, you will get this conclusion from this activity. So, first we have seen that magnesium metal we have taken, that magnesium metal we have burned that in oxygen, or we burn. During burning, that metal will combine with oxygen. Magnesium oxide with a dazzling white light will be, with that light it will be burning there, and a white powder will be produced there, and that white powder on mixing it 2-3 drops of water and magnesium on heating with oxygen, magnesium oxide will be produced there, and that magnesium oxide when mixed with water, magnesium hydroxide will be producing the, which changes that red litmus to blue, so that we can say that magnesium oxide is basic in nature. So, during this change, a new material is produced and we cannot bring it back to its original form. Can you bring that magnesium oxide or magnesium hydroxide back to this magnesium metal? We cannot do that. So, we can say that these changes are irreversible. These changes are irreversible and they are permanent changes. Something happened there, it is permanent. We cannot change it back to its original form. That is permanent change, and we can say that changes happen to both physical as well as chemical properties there. And we can say that new materials are, new substances are produced just like magnesium oxide and second case magnesium hydroxide. So, we can say that this is a chemical change. Hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.